Hello everyone. Okay. So today we will see like if you are looking for the job, if you are looking for the job. Okay. If you are looking for the job, if you are from tech background or non-tech background. Okay. If you want to build your okay, you want to build your career in IT sector. Okay. So I'll suggest you based on my experience. So I will suggest you like if you really want to become a technical person or if you are looking a job in IT industry. So if you are the fresher or experience. Okay. So if you want to get a job as early as possible, then what I will suggest to you, learn full stack development, full stack web dev- development. Okay. So why I am saying like you should learn full stack web development? Because when you learn for full stack, if you will learn full stack development, so you can apply if you know the Python, then you can apply for the Python job role, right? Number one, you can apply for the Python job role, and the second one, you can apply for the UI developer, and the third one is you can apply for the like backend developer. All right, and we will discuss like in detail what are the specific roles you can apply. Even you can completely like nowadays companies hiring based on the full stack developer. So you can apply directly for the full stack web developer. If requirement is not there for the full stack developer, then you can apply for the Python role and UI developer or backend developer. Okay, so let's discuss what is the salary, what is the average salary of full stack web developer in India. So the average salary for full stack web developer is 7,75,000 rupees. Okay, so it is really beneficial to learn full stack web development. If you will search on LinkedIn, then you will see like how many results are there. 1,373 results are there, which is based on full stack. These are the companies hiring based on full stack web development. Okay, front end developer, React developer, front end developer. Okay, full stack developer, junior web developer, like that. So if you want to get a job as early as possible, then I will suggest you learn full stack web developer. So now the question is, who is full stack web developer? Okay, or I can say like one more question I can ask like what is the roadmap to become full stack web developer? Okay, so we will discuss each and everything. So now you have to have some patience and you have to listen this. So I designed this presentation. Okay, so we will go through this presentation in order to learn better like how we can make our career in full stack developer. Okay, so full stack web development. Okay, so who is Python full stack web developer? Basically, we will discuss about related to Python full stack web developer. Okay, so who is Python full stack developer? A Python full stack developer is a developer whose responsibility is to develop Python web application. Okay, so now we will discuss roadmap to become full stack Python developer. If I'm saying Python developer, you can also connect with web developer. Okay, Python developer and Python or web developer both are the same thing. To become full stack Python developer, we must command on certain modules. Okay, like what are the modules? We must have command on Python module. Okay, and then UI module, and the third one is framework module, and the fourth one is database module, and the fifth one is tools. Okay, we should know certain tools, right? If we talk about Python module, so in the Python module, what are the topics we will discuss? What are the topics we will learn? So Python module divided into further two modules, core Python and advanced Python. Okay, so we divided Python in two modules, core Python as well as advanced Python, right? So what are the topics comes under the core Python? What are the topics comes under the advanced Python? So in core Python, we will learn data structure, control statement, functions, modules, and packages. In advanced Python, we will discuss about object-oriented programming, regular expression, exception handling, and how to develop GUI application, means graphical user interface related application, right? And in addition, we can learn some data science tools or libraries we can explore like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. We can explore this library also. So we can also apply for the data scientist role. Okay. Now we discuss about like UI module. So this module help to design the front end which is run in our browser. Okay, so if you want to apply as a UI developer, so you must have good knowledge in front end technologies. What are the front end technologies? HTML5 you must know, like CSS3, JavaScript, Angular, or like React JS framework. You should know at least. So then also you can apply for the front end developer. Means you are in the journey of full stack developer. So meanwhile you can apply for the full stack developer. You can apply for the Python developer. You can apply for the front-end developer as well. Okay. Now, third module is backend module. So whatever input we give to our browser. Okay. For example, there is an application called like some Facebook or Instagram. So whatever we give, so that input evaluate with the help of certain frameworks like Django, or we can say in this backend module, we will particularly learn Django, Flask, and REST API. Right. And the fourth module is database modules. Okay. So if you are giving the input to the like to the application or web application, so that input must be stored somewhere. Like for example, you created your profile on Facebook, so whenever you will open your Facebook account, your data must be retrieved at any time. So if so your data must be stored. So data in this database module, here we can learn how to design database, how to store data. So in order to design the database, we can learn MySQL and MongoDB. Okay, so after that you can also apply for the database developer or database designer. You can apply for this role as well. Okay, this is also comes under the full stack web developer, right? The fifth module is tools modules. In this tool we can learn how to control version and how to work with cloud environment. Okay, so here we will learn Git and GitHub, and we will also learn cloud environment through AWS. All right, so these, if you have this much of knowledge, then you can definitely apply for the for what for the full stack developer. So thank you everyone. Let's summarize it. Okay, so if you want to become a full stack developer, so you must have knowledge of Python. Means one language you must know, either Python or Java. Okay, because this is a course of Python full stack developer, so you must have knowledge of Python. Python is really important nowadays. If you will learn Python, then there are lots of opportunities are there. Okay, because this language is supported by AI also, AI ML, right? Then the second module is UI module. Here you can apply for the front-end developer role. And this is the framework module. Here you can apply for the Django developer, Flask developer. Like that, you can apply for the backend developer here. Okay. The fourth is database. Here you can apply for the database designer or database developer. Okay. Here, you if you are the full stack developer, you must know certain tools like Git and GitHub and AWS as well. Right. So if you want to learn, if you want to start your full stack journey, if you want to start your full stack journey, then you can follow this course. Okay, I've already created some many videos, as well as I'm working on this course as well. So here you can refer these videos. This is based on full stack web development. Okay, here I taught you like Python module. You can refer another module which is backend module. Here I'm teaching you framework which is Django framework. Okay, you can access these videos, and definitely you can apply for the like you can apply through the LinkedIn or Naukri. You can apply for the roles. Okay, what are the roles I already discussed with you? So these are the roles you can apply. Definitely you can apply for the Python developer, UI developer, or we can say front end developer. Django developer, here you can apply Django developer. Here you can apply for the database developer. Here tools, for particularly you cannot apply for the tools, but you can, after learning the tools, you can apply as a full stack web developer. Okay, so if you want to get a growth in your career, and if you want to get a early growth, then definitely I must suggest you to become a full stack web developer. Okay, so when you started your learning journey, meanwhile you should start applying for the job. Okay, don't wait. Like if you will complete complete all the modules, then you will apply. If you completed this Python module, then you are good to go for applying. You can apply for the jobs. Okay, you can apply for the jobs related to Python. Okay, if you completed the second module, you can definitely start applying for the front end developer or Python developer. Don't wait like like if you will complete all the modules, then you will start applying. No, if you will listen, just my experience is, what is my experience, if you will apply for the 10 jobs, then four or five responses you will get. Out of four and five responses, only you will get two interviews, and from the two interviews you may get only one offer letter. So like if you will apply for the 50 jobs, then you may get the chance of 25 interviews, and you can get like three offer letter at least. So that's why I'm saying apply for the job while learning. If you finish any one of module, just go to the LinkedIn, go to the Naukri, and start for applying for the jobs. Okay, so you are good to go to apply the jobs. Okay, if you learn the UI, if you learn the framework and database, and if you completed all the modules, then you can apply for the many jobs. Okay, you can apply for the many jobs, because now you can say I am a UI developer or front end developer, and you can say I am a Python developer, or you can say I am the Django developer. Okay, or you can say I'm a database designer. Like that you can apply, right? So that's all about it, and you can access my playlist. Once again, I'm telling you. Okay, and notes is also attached. When you check the description, you will get the notes also. Okay, like each video is associated with notes. You can study from the notes as well. Okay, so thank you everyone for giving your valuable time, right? So I hope you will get some idea like why you should start with full stack web development. Okay, thank you everyone. So start your journey of learning. If you want to get a growth in your career, definitely you should choose full stack development nowadays. Thank you. Wish you all the very best.